Dora and I'm from Switzerland, and I got through drifting, I think, through coincidence because my brother likes drifting and he wanted to try it out here in Japan, and he couldn't come, but we came, and it's an amazing experience.
I'm Laurent. I come from Switzerland all the way, so 12,000 kilometers, and I've seen some video of these exciting teams doing drift taxi, drift lessons, and now I'm here with my daughter. We do 3 days drift fix, and it's amazing.
It's actually an amazing feeling. I never thought I would be able to do that in like such a short amount of time, but it feels amazing to be like able to control the car like I do, and I love it.
Amazing instructors here, and indeed drifting is just not getting away, it's just getting a controlled drift, doing the donuts correct, doing the eights, and as soon as you drift and control the drift, you feel safer, and when I'm home in the snow I will probably be safer on the snow as well.
They're a little erratic, but we got them.
So it's amazing how we learned, and also the last lap with the instructor when we experience how it is drifting like a pro, and we learned a lot, and even I'm slow at learning, I'm very happy, and thank you very much.
It's working?
Hello? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go do Torge. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. Well, I'm happy you had fun.
Good luck. So nice.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
That's okay.
Woohoo! We got Heath there. That was good. That was good.
This place is amazing. We are really away from the big cities. It's an amazing place, like 500 meters over sea levels. It's beautiful nature, and It's worth the experience. You invest 3 days of your holidays in Japan to do drifting, but I'm very happy I take that decision to come with my daughter. And I wish my son would be here. That would be perfect.
I learned way more than I've expected, and it's an amazing feeling. I would love to continue doing this at home also if it's possible, because I don't want to forget it. It's amazing. Yes, I think I found a new hobby, honestly, because I love it, and I never thought I would love something like that as much as I do. It's really one of the best experiences I've had so far. 100%, it's worth it. I would do it again if I could. If I come to Japan, I would definitely do it again and improve my drifting, because it was amazing, and yeah, I don't want to stop, honestly.